Hello and welcome back to the Dukascopy studios here in Geneva. Joining me today is Lorenzo Rocco, Deputy Head of Wealth Management Switzerland at REYL Bank. So Lorenzo, welcome to the studios.
Thank you.
So REYL Bank has been quite successful as of recent, developing assets under management and also business line and international offices. So what should banks do to adapt and evolve in the new banking environment?
Well, I don't know if I can answer for all the banks. I mean, I can tell you what it is that we have done and why we have done it. When we joined here in 2002, together with Francois REYL, we were primarily a private bank dealing with, the private assets of clients or their portfolios. And we noticed already then that, changes were happening in the world of banking within Switzerland and worldwide. And we realized that we had to do something to diversify our revenue stream and to be able to offer more services to our client base. Our clients tend to be entrepreneurs, younger, and therefore, we wanted to be able to assist them not only in managing their portfolio, but really on everything that really mattered to them. And sometimes what really matters to them is their true business, their companies, their day-to-day activities. And therefore, we adapted by creating new business line and try also to be closer to them by having a geographical expansion instead of just being here in Geneva, but to open offices, as you mentioned, in Paris, in London, in Singapore, in Malta, and in the United States. And by diversifying our revenue stream, by increasing the services that we provide to them, by having a RAM funds business, by having asset services, by having corporate advisory, and by having a private office.
And REYL Bank has just announced the opening of a new office in Santa Barbara. So why California? Is it seen as the new financial hub in the US compared to, say, New York?
Well, look, I mean, we like the US a lot. I spent a lot of years in the US. I studied there and I worked there, and so did Francois, and so did other members of management. We have an SEC license to be able to business in the US. In California, we identify California as a good place because, again, the entrepreneurial spirit of the state. If you think about the entertainment industry, or if you think about the technology industry, it is based in the part of the world. And that's where we are, and that's the kind of clients that we're trying to target. Is it a new financial hub? No, I don't think so, but it's just a matter that we think that clients that could utilize our services and be interested in utilizing our services, we can find them there.
Great, so you mentioned the clients there. So what makes the DNA of REYL, and what kind of clients do you attract?
We are a family-owned business, so and an independent business. So everybody that works with us really cares about seeing the bank succeeding, and everybody takes a role, also, from the lower up to make sure that everything works well. So there is really a team spirit in bringing the bank to the next level. The DNA internally is made of entrepreneurs at the end of the day, because everybody is helping in fixing things. They're getting their hands dirty, not only by the relationship manager talking to the clients, but also making sure that the service that our back office or our IT platform can provide to the clients, they can help in improving that. So it's very different than just going out for lunches and dinners and seeing their clients and bring the stuff back to the office and thank you very much. No, they want to make sure that what we offer is great for the client. So everybody is very much involved. So there is an entrepreneurial spirit. I think that because of our background, I was in investment banking before, Francois the same, Christian Fringian, which you interviewed in the past, the same. We have a bit of an Anglo-Saxon culture, which is very different, if I might say, to other institutions in Geneva. Our client base, as I mentioned, tends to be entrepreneur, tends to be people which have a business, people that we are entrepreneur ourselves, so we can relate to that. We can relate to their need of expanding their business or building a business. And there is a big connection, and we become really trusted advisor to these people. And that is the DNA of us and the DNA of our clients.
Well, Lorenzo, thank you so much for coming in today and sharing your expertise with us.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
And thank you for watching. For all the latest Dukascopy updates and interviews, do keep clicking back. Goodbye for now.